And solving one question on the board, then 3 questions you'll be trying on your own. That one question itself is equal to 3 questions what I am solving. Look at page number 246, exercise 6, section D, question 3. Page number 246, exercise 6, section D. Question number 3. Be attentive. We have done this day before yesterday with physical demonstration. In how many ways can 3 boys and 2 girls be arranged in a row? 3 boys and 2 girls be arranged in a row so that first alternative both the girls remain together. Raise your hand. How will we solve this? We have done it physically day before yesterday. The 2 girls remain together. So what should be done for that? Only 2 people remember this? 4? Amen? 2P2 for? And 3P3 for? Wrong. Navdeep? 2P1 for? And 3P3 for? Boys, no? Hemal? Mayur?
That's 2P1.
Anyone else? Romit?
1P1 into 3P3.
Padel? Bill? No. Pramati? Basa? No. Anyone else? Rima? No. Harvey? No. Very bad, very poor performance. None of you remember the things how to do it. Jen? No, wrong. First of all, if we want that the 2 girls should remain together, then the girls will be tied with a rope. Do you all remember this? Now we have to arrange 1, 2, 3, 4 people. How many ways can you arrange 4 people? And inside the rope, how can you arrange 2 girls? 2P2. Do you all remember this or not? So 4 factorial into 2 factorial. 24 into 2, that is 48. Now, understand the language how you write it. Write down. If anyone who is not clear with this, raise your hand. So write down. If 2 girls are to remain together, comma, then resultantly, 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 4 people are to be arranged. Okay, 4 people because 3 boys and, don't write that, 4 people because 3 boys and 2 girls become 1. So this can be done in P4 ways. Next paragraph. Moreover, 2 girls can be mutually arranged Moreover, two girls can be mutually arranged in 2p2 ways. Next paragraph, therefore, the total number of arrangements is shown below. Completed. This diagram. Understood this, everyone? Now look at the second alternative asked. Second option asked. Boys and girls are alternately arranged. Now be attentive. This also we had done. Mercedes Audi. Alternately arranged. M. Here, but there were 3 cars of Mercedes, 3 cars of Audi. So 2 alternatives we had. But here there are not 3 boys and 3 girls. There are only 2 girls. Only one alternate is possible. How can we have them alternately? B, G, B, G, B. That's it. Any other alternative possible? If there was one more girl, then here you would have put G and then one more GB, GB, GB. But here only one alternate is possible. Boy, girl, and boy. Now raise your hand. How can you do this? This we studied that day with 3 Mercedes and Audi cars. So how can you do this? Alternate arrangement. Calculation how will you perform? Jen? Yes. 3 boys can be arranged in 3p, 3 ways, 3 places, and 2 girls can be arranged in 2p, 2 ways. 3 factorial into 2 factorial. But what is 3 factorial? Silence! Out. Please don't answer. I'm asking one person only, that person will answer. 6 and 2 factorial is 2, that is 12. Understood this? So here the language write down. If the boys and girls should appear alternately, then only one alternate is possible as shown below. Okay, here only one alternate is possible as shown below. First of this, the total number of arrangements are shown below. Therefore, the total number of arrangements are shown below. Now, make the diagram and do it. Anyone who did not understand this? All are clear with this? Alternative? Now one more I'll show on the board. This, as I said, this question itself is equal to 3 questions. After that, 3 questions will be trying on your own. Similar ones. Okay? Yes, now be attentive. In the third option it is as boys should be together. Boys are together. So, first of all, if boys are to be together, then Bhavya, whom will we tie with the rope? Boys. So, tell me now, Bhavya, how many people we have to arrange? Which 3?
Boys.
Yes, now we have to arrange 3 people. Anyone having any doubt in this? Me, how can we arrange 3 people? Calculation. 3p3. Any confusion so far? Shlok, inside the row. Today you are present now. Inside the row. Yash, today you are present now. If you are present today, try to understand what is going on. It's not so difficult. Inside the row again, 3 boys, how can we arrange? 3 people. So 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Did you understand this, everyone? Himanshu, what is 3 factorial?
6.
So 6 into 6, 36. So head of the language. Yes, you can tell me the language. How will we start? If the boys are to remain together, if the boys are to remain together, comma, then resultantly 3 people are to be arranged. Understood this? Full stop. This can be done in, okay? Then, next paragraph. Moreover, 3 boys can be mutually arranged. Moreover, 3 boys can be mutually arranged in 3p3 ways. Full stop. Therefore, total number of arrangements are shown below. Now complete this. So all are there with this question? Everyone? These 3 questions you will try on your own. Only one question I am discussing the language where you may make a mistake. Then you start solving it. Look at page 245, just one page previous. Right now you were doing 246. So look at page 245. This third question's language, I am reading it and raise your hand. Okay, don't raise your voice, raise your hand. I don't want the answer randomly. In how many ways can 4 boys and 3 girls be arranged in a row such that, underline, no 2 boys and no 2 girls are together? What does it mean? Raise your hand. No 2 boys and no 2 girls are together. What does that mean? Raise your hand. No 2 boys and no 2 girls are together. Bhavya? Both are correct. Alternately, no 2 boys and no 2 girls are together. Do you find any 2 boys, any 2 girls together? So when the language is no 2 boys and no 2 girls are together, what does it mean? Alternate. Language is different but the meaning is same as we did this one. Okay? So did you understand that no 2 boys and no 2 girls are together? Now write down against that alternately. It means we have to arrange them alternately. Okay? Now start solving these 3. I'll give around 5-7 minutes. They are sufficient. 10 minutes take it. With language you have to do it. Then I'll show all the 3 on the board. Okay? Stop the video for that 10 minutes. Put it on after 10.